Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Cursor, Windsurf, Cline, Copilot, and VS Code. Cursor, Windsurf, Cline, Copilot, and VS Code are all tools for coding and developer productivity. Cursor is an AI-powered coding assistant that helps you write code faster by giving smart suggestions and completing code snippets. It understands the context of your project, making its recommendations more accurate. The tool integrates with popular editors, saving time on repetitive tasks. Windsurf is a developer tool that helps manage and navigate large code bases more efficiently. It organizes projects and files, making it easier to find what you need quickly. The workflow feature saves times and reduces confusion in complex projects. Cline is a lightweight coding tool focused on the command line, helping developers write and manage code directly in the terminal. It offers shortcuts and enhancements that speed up coding without leaving the CLI. The tool is simple and fast, ideal for those who prefer minimal setups. Copilot is an AI-powered coding assistant that helps you write code faster by suggesting lines or entire functions as you type. It integrates with popular editors like VS Code, making it easy to use in your workflow. The suggestions save time on repetitive coding tasks and reduce errors. VS Code is a popular and powerful code editor that works with many programming languages. It offers extensions, debugging tools, and JIT integration, making development easier and more efficient. The interface is user-friendly and it's highly customizable to fit different workflows. Overall, VS Code is best as full-featured editor, Copilot and Cursor for AI coding help, Windsurf for project workflow, and Cline for terminal-focused coding. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.